Welcome back to Crypto News, guys. I'm here today to give you an update on Shiba Inu. We're going to be breaking Shiba Inu down from a fundamental perspective, technical analysis perspective as well, looking at where we can be getting involved with this, where we can be DCAing, how we can make money longing and shorting this asset, and basically everything about SHIB in this video. Now, if you like SHIB, I want to hear from you in the comment section. Drop a little like on the video if SHIB is one of your favorite assets or you've ever traded SHIB before. Without further ado, let's get straight into this update. Obviously, we know SHIB started as a meme coin, but they've really branched out their ecosystem. Now there's SHIB.io, there's ShibSwap, there's the whole SHIB ecosystem, Shibarium, there's loads of stuff going on. They've actually launched brother and sister tokens alongside this Bone token, Leash token. There's a lot going on throughout this project. So this is a lot more than a meme coin now. It's got NFTs, it's got games, it's got a DEX, it's got pretty much everything that you can imagine about this asset, okay? And that is why it's holding its own and it's still doing considerably well in comparison to other meme coins out there that have absolutely no use. Okay, so with a market cap of just shy of $9 billion, it's quite impressive to say the least. Now, before we go into this in any more detail, because there's a lot of interesting stuff I do want to cover, especially looking at this chart, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about a project that I'm very bullish on, that I've invested in, and I think it's going to do very, very well. It's my next 10 to 100x pick, and that is Mind of Pepe. It's an AI agent. We know how well these AI agents are doing. 3, 4, 5, 600 million dollar market caps. And you can see here, this asset has raised $6.4 million in its pre-sale with the next target of 7.1. It's very rare to find an ICO that has raised this much. Usually when they raise this much, they go straight onto centralized exchanges like Mexi, like BitGet, like Binance, like Coinbase. It's very, very nice to see something like Mind of Pepe, an AI agent that is absolutely doing so well in their ICO, looking to do that, okay? So if you guys want to get involved with this, you can. Obviously, you've got to do your own research. Don't just jump into this bad boy. Go do your own research. I'll leave a link in the description, but just wanted to give you guys some value there because there's definitely some meat on the bone with this project. 1, it's Pepe themed. 2, it's an AI agent. And 3, it's a Pepe themed AI agent. We just haven't seen anything like that before. It's raised so much. It's got great utility. It's also got a holder alpha chat, where the AI actually puts its trades in the chat before it takes them. So if you're a holder and investor of Mind, which is Mind of Pepe, you actually get put into the alpha chat, and before the AI will be taking its trades to make money, you'll get those trades. Okay, and we see these AIs make millions of dollars. So yeah, it's definitely some really, really nice incentives there for the holders. But yeah, that's all I'm going to say. I'll leave the link in the description. Go check it out yourself. Back to Shiba Inu, the second place meme. Okay, so you can see here that, as I said, just shy of $9 billion. We did see an all-time high for this asset coming through in the last run. We haven't seen quite reach to that. We haven't seen it quite reach that this run, unfortunately, but that was a market cap of, what was it? $41.1 billion. As I said, in this run, we have seen a high come through around $20.8 billion. So nowhere near what we saw in 2021, but still a big jump nonetheless from sitting around $5 billion and going sideways for a number of years, to say the least here. Now, I'm just going over to the chart. Excuse me. Just going over to the chart. Goodness me. You can see here that there's some very, very important points that we need to actually be looking out for. Okay, so if we're talking about trend lines, we're talking about this area. Okay, the area that I'm referring to was the low setback in June, the 5th of June, 2023. Now you can see there was massive volume here from that point, and massive increases in the price. Testing this level of support multiple times before eventually, most recently, breaking that. Okay, we have actually seen retests to the upside here for this asset. And unfortunately, it's not really been holding its bullish momentum. This thing is looking like it's actually going to come down, take another move down, but only if it loses the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement zone. Now that Fibonacci is very important, guys. It's taken from the absolute low of SHIB to the all-time high of SHIB, okay? And that gives us a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement zone. When you lose the 0.5, it basically confirms that you're going to head into that downtrend, and you can see that has happened yet again here for this asset. So what I'm really waiting for, if we do see a weekly or potentially another daily close. You don't really go on the first daily close, so you wait for that retest and then get another one. But if we do get another daily close below that 0.618 Fibonacci retracement zone, for me, there's a clean short position down, roughly 3, 4, 5%. That's just to the first TP. Second TP would be all the way down around 17%. And then obviously following this even further down to this area of around 21.78%. So there's many things here that are looking like this thing is going to be heading down. And let me show you a few more of them. If we go to the WOD machine quickly, look at these moving averages, guys. We're below all major moving averages. This looks like a very clean, nice downtrend. Okay, so it basically means that there's a lot more movement to the downside, which we can be expecting here for this asset. There will be waves up, but overall, it's looking pretty bleak to the downside. Look at the weekly, it's the same thing, the same story. We lose all major moving averages here, and it's basically a descent to the dark side. That's a descent to the previous unconfirmed higher low. The most recent confirmed higher low of this bull market is actually still all the way down at around this level, this yellow level down here, which actually does mean that the price of SHIB can get down there before, and this would actually, it still means it's bullish, still in this macro uptrend, which is over here, even if we do get down to this level and bounce, okay? And that basically does mean a 40% reduction in the price for this asset. So just be aware for that. But yeah, that is going to be my update for SHIB, guys. Just be aware. I do think this asset is going to continue down here if we do see us lose that 0.618 Fibonacci retracement on the daily candle body close. If we see that, then I want to see a lovely short position down to these further levels where we have seen in previous price action. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now. Oh, also, don't forget, Mind of Pepe, link is in the description. Go check it out. You don't want to miss out on that bad boy. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.